Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you people this amazing recipe of dahi vadas, and dahi vadas are really very authentic and are widely enjoyed by everyone, almost everyone in the family. So it's a very popular festive dish and we are going to start right now. So let's start a night before. I am going to soak urad dal and moong dal a night before. Here I've taken 2 katoris of urad dal and 1 katori of moong dal, and I'm going to soak them overnight.
You give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me.
Now the next morning the dals have been doubled in quantity. Now we have to grind them to a very fine paste. So just make sure you grind them very finely. And here you can see I have used minimum amount of water for grinding the pulses. So just make sure that you don't use a lot of water while you're grinding them. Otherwise it will be really very difficult for you to break the vadas into the oil. Now the next step is to rise the dal up, which is the process of vigorously whisking the dal. So you can use your hand, you can use a fork, or you can go ahead and use a pitter as well. Whatever you have and whatever pleases you, whatever is convenient for you, you can certainly go ahead and use it. And here you can see that the air has started filling inside the dal. The dal will transform its color. It will translate from like dull yellow to a creamy white batter, and it will rise up in size as well, as you people can see over here. So this process is really very important for the baras to soak. And here you can see the dal has risen perfectly. I have shown you two tricks on how you can judge: invert the spoon or use water. If the dal keeps on floating, then it's completely done. Here I have added jeera, green coriander and green chili to the dal. Salt would be added separately. I have added a little bit of ginger as well to the batter, and if you want you can skip the ginger, but it helps in digestion, so make sure, if you please, you can certainly add ginger. Now here I am using a deep pan, and in that I am boiling some water with salt and hing. And now it's time for me to go ahead and drop some vadas into the oil. These vadas are very versatile. You can use them in different ways. You can make kanji vada, you can make kadhi out of them, and you can make dahi vada out of them as well. So here I am making sure that the vadas are of appropriate size. You can increase or decrease the size of the vadas however you want. You can make them with the hole in the center as well, but in our family we don't make vadas like those apart from holi. So here I am making them in round shape, and they are just convenient to eat as well. You can simply go ahead and pick one and pop into your mouth while you're walking around as well. So I like the shape of it. This is the perfect shape for me in terms of vadas. Now over here you can see I'm deep frying them and then transferring them to the boiling water. Now the water was boiling, but it wasn't on the gas. So I have soaked them and then took them out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk some curd. Now don't skip this process. 90% of it I've seen people not whisking the curd properly or not sieving the curd properly. Sieving makes it sure that there are no lumps in the curd, and while you add some water to the curd, it won't turn lumpy. So just go ahead and sieve it. It just takes a little bit of more time of yours, and don't worry, it won't cause a lot of wastage, because I'm going to add water strained through the sieve as well. So here I am adding some salt to it, I am adding some black salt to it, I am adding some sugar to it, and then I am going to mix it all together to make sure that the paste is like the dahi paste is perfect in consistency. Now it's time for serving the vadas. So here are the soaked vadas. I am going to arrange them, and then I'm going to top it off with multiple different toppings that you have seen in the beginning. They turned out really very amazing. They were very delicious in taste. You should try them once. Now these vadas will turn out sweet in taste, so if you people don't want sweet vadas, you can skip adding sugar in the beginning, and you can have namkeen vadas for your flavor. Someday else I will certainly go ahead and make namkeen vadas for you people, but for now, this is the recipe. Hopefully, you people might have enjoyed this. I have topped it off with imli ki chutney, hari chutney, bundi, and pomegranate kernels. They tasted awesome. The guests enjoyed it a lot. I'm pretty sure your guests will enjoy it as well. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, what do you people think about this particular recipe, and did your guests appreciated you or not? If they did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that being said, I'll take your all's leave and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Happy Diwali.